Well, a year has passed since the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, but the fight against this infection continues globally. However, experts now say that there is hope the infection will be endemic at least in the near future. How will that work? Our report explains what it means to move from a pandemic to an endemic stage. Take a look. It has been a year since the World Health Organization declared coronavirus a pandemic. This happened on the 11th of March 2020. A year on, the pandemic continues to have an upper hand with more than 118 million cases of coronavirus-borne illness confirmed around the world, with more than 2.6 million fatalities. Experts say the hope is that eventually this infection will soon be endemic. The difference then between a pandemic and a disease in an endemic stage is that in an endemic stage, resources are diverted to trying to minimize the damage. In a pandemic, the effort is to contain the infection. The World Health Organization said last year that the disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 may actually never go away and eventually become endemic. The World Health Organization says that we will learn how to come to terms with the virus then. Endemic diseases are those diseases where a virus or a pathogen keeps circulating in the human population, infecting people who haven't been vaccinated. A disease could be seasonal or occurring all around the year, perennial, and could be caused by a bacteria or a virus or any other pathogen. But Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain says in Delhi the infection is already becoming endemic. So is that really correct? Experts say that isn't correct, because there is no defined inflection point in the life of a pandemic when it can be said that a disease has become endemic. If there are spikes or waves, then usually it is not endemic. There could be some seasonal fluctuations. But here is the catch. When there is a steady rate of mild numbers, that is when the disease can be said to be settling down. But then with more people traveling, numbers can go up very sharply anytime. One way of looking at it is that serious infections are few. No country in the world has so far said that this disease has become endemic. The BMJ, which is the weekly peer-reviewed medical trade journal published by the trade union, the British Medical Association, says that SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus will not be eradicated but will become endemic, which means it will A. continue to circulate in pockets of the global population for years to come. B. will continue to cause outbreaks in regions where it had been eliminated earlier. C. this also is going to mean that the impact of the virus on the world in terms of deaths, illnesses, and the need for social isolation will lessen. More of the population will be acquiring some immunity to it through exposure to the virus or from vaccination. The novel coronavirus is nowhere close to being eradicated at this point in time, at this very moment. Just like the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, it will be an assessment from the World Health Organization that's going to lead to this being declared an endemic disease by the World Health Organization. Well, that's it from me for the moment. All of that and much more is always up on our website too. That's indiatoday.in. You can also download the app. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.